A company from Colorado is expanding to York County, bringing hundreds of jobs and millions of dollars with it.
Our South Carolina Bureau reporter Greg Suskin found out there's a sense of urgency to open the plant in the East York Industrial Park.
Well, you may not think very much about the rims on your car, but some people do. And I'll tell you, some people will pay really big dollars for the high-end wheels also. Now, most of them are made overseas, but the company that's going to be moving into that building right there has a big incentive to change that. We found these shiny and, yes, expensive rims in Rock Hill. Several of the brands here are made by wheel pros, but not in this country. Not yet, anyway.
We design those wheels. We have those built right now in China, and preferably we're going to build most of those here in York County.
Wheel Pros is buying the former American Eagle wheel plant in an industrial park just outside York. The company once made aftermarket wheels, but folded last year. Colorado-based Wheel Pros will invest $14 million here, create 300 jobs, and make 400,000 wheels a year for starters, eventually $1 million a year.
We're delighted. That's good news.
York Mayor Eddie Lee says that kind of growth is something this community can expect to keep seeing.
What we did after the closing of the mills is we took a deep breath and we figured out, hey, what can we do about it?
Wheel Pros says York County has a strong business environment, but there's another reason to start making these rims in America: tariffs on steel. John Dana says tariffs will hit 12% this month and reach 25% by the end of the year. That's a huge incentive to make products here.
I think if it hadn't already been in motion, it would definitely be a focus point. So I'm sure some of the other aftermarket companies are also looking that way.
Right now, Wheel Pros does no manufacturing in the U.S. They'll begin rolling out in York County early next year. And as they do that, I've been told that Wheel Pros has reached out to 30 to 40 people that used to work at this plant before it closed down to see if they can hire them. We're live in York County. Greg Suskin, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.